Evening. Breaking news latest news 6th November 2021. International news. Around 100 people have died after a massive explosion when a fuel tanker collided with a lorry in Sierra Leone's capital, Freetown. The US Congress has passed a landmark $1 trillion, £741 billion infrastructure spending package, delivering a major domestic win to President Joe Biden. A Chinese intelligence officer, Xu Yanjun, has been convicted by a US jury of plotting to steal secrets from aviation companies, according to the US Justice Department. Xu is a senior member of the Jiangsu branch of China's Ministry of State Security, an agency responsible for counterintelligence, foreign intelligence, and internal security. Reports BBC. Key Communist Party of China conclave next week set to endorse unprecedented third term for Xi Jinping. Reports Hindu. China has given 75.96% of population complete COVID-19 vaccine doses. China had given 1.072 billion people complete COVID-19 vaccine doses by 5th November. That accounts for 75.96% of the nation's 1.41 billion people. Several wounded in knife attack on German train. Reports Economic Times. National Security Advisors, NSAs, of India, France discuss cooperation in Indo-Pacific, terror threats emanating from Afghanistan at strategic talks in Paris. Reports ANI. At least 8 people died and numerous others were injured in what officials described as a surge of the crowd at the Astroworld Music Festival in Houston while rapper Travis Scott was performing. Reports AP News. An upstate New York man was in grave condition at a hospital after police used a taser to subdue him and he burst into flames. Reports New Indian Express. National news. The Ministry of Civil Aviation on Saturday declared the Srinagar International Airport as a major airport. On 23rd October, Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the first direct international flight between Srinagar and Sharjah in United Arab Emirates, UAE. Delhi government orders probe into Green Park multi-level car parking incident. Reports ANI. Delhi Cabinet approves induction of 190 low-floor CNG AC buses under cluster scheme. Reports Statesman. Anil Deshmukh, former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, sent to 14-day judicial custody in money laundering case. Reports Times of India. Mukesh Ambani not moving to London or anywhere else, says Reliance after buying James Bond mansion for 600 crore rupees. Reports Financial Express. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray orders probe into Maharashtra Ahmednagar Civil Hospital fire tragedy today. A total of 10 people died. Third Goa Maritime Conclave to begin on Sunday, to host heads of 12 navies. Reports Asian Age. A special investigation team, SIT, of the Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB, formed to probe Aryan Khan and 5 other cases reaches Mumbai. Reports Indian Express. Tripura police asks Twitter to suspend 68 accounts for posts on communal clashes. Reports NDTV. National Executive Meeting of BJP to be held in New Delhi tomorrow, with the inaugural address of the BJP President Jagat Prakash Nadda, and will conclude with the valedictory address of PM Modi. Reports DD News. Tamil Nadu News, depressed over securing low marks in the National Eligibility and Entrance Test, NEET. A 20-year-old medical aspirant committed suicide. Reports New Indian Express. Technology News. China successfully launches 3 new remote sensing satellites. Reports Indian Express. Longest lunar eclipse of this century will take place on 19th November. Those in the northeastern states of India, including Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, should be able to see the lunar eclipse. Reports NDTV. Heavy rains lashed Chennai and its suburbs on Saturday. India Meteorological Department, IMD, predicted more rains in the coming days. Reports New Indian Express. Business news. Government has slashed the basic duty on crude palm oil, crude soybean oil and crude sunflower oil from 2.5% to nil in a bid to rein in continuous rise in the cooking oil prices since past 1 year. Reports DD News. Thank you. Please subscribe free to iIntelligence, iNews to get more videos on important news. Also, like and share if you find our videos really updating, useful and informative.